Hello students, today I am going to discuss lenses chapter of book 8 and my topic is light rays passing through a concave lens. I had already discussed with you light rays passing through a convex lens. Now this is a concave lens as the edges are thick and the middle part is thin. So this lens is concave lens. And the center of the concave lens is called optical center. Same in this case. The center of the convex lens is called optical center. Now, the line which is passing from this optical center is called principal axis. Same in this case. The line passing from the optical center is called principal axis. Now in this case, in convex lens, the light rays after refraction meet at a point and that point is called principal focus, but in concave lens, the light rays after refraction will change their path. After refraction, they will not meet at a point, they will diverge, they will spread, okay, but it seems like they are coming from this point, okay. And this point is called principal focus. Light rays after refraction will diverge, but it seems like they are coming from this point which is called principal focus. Now, the distance between principal focus and optical center is known as focal length, same as in this lens, convex lens. The distance between optical center and principal focus is known as focal length. As concave lens is not converging the light rays, it is diverging the light rays. That is why another name for concave lens is diverging lens. Here the light rays are meeting at a point, that's why it is called converging lens. Here the light rays are spreading in different direction, that is why it is called diverging lens. I hope you are clear with the difference. Now in this case, the focus point is in front of the lens and here it is at the back, because it seems like the light rays are coming from this point. I hope you are clear. See you in the next class. Bye. Take care.